Morning, Steve.
Hello, mate.
Where are we today? Can you tell us? Can you actually tell us where we are? Because
I'm not sure
well,
what it is. It's an old. Well, I'm not even sure how old. It's an abandoned pit though, just at the. I don't know, what would you call it? At the north end of Coolgardie, I suppose. We're heading north.
Yeah, it would be. Yeah.
Yeah. And not far out of town, just at the end of the where you come onto the new bypass road.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's good. Steve-O's had a little mishap. He's blowing some, well, with the wires are gone, haven't they? The wires are chewed.
Yeah, it's chewed through the wire, so
chewed.
Probably just blown a fuse as well.
I've got just been working on the intruder all week, and just got it looking a bit different this week.
I just thought the intruder was looking a bit fucking.
Yeah, so the intruder,
nice.
the intruder had a slip clutch for now going on for a period of a month. So I decided this week to actually do something about it, and in the meantime found that the basket case with the clutch plate sit in was all cracked, and the holes were actually cracked as well. So had to ride new one out of Germany. It was going to take a couple of weeks. So the old Fatboy is out here today to yeah, he's off the bench.
The maiden journey.
Off the bench, and he's come for a ride. He said he doesn't like it because he doesn't like dirt roads, but he'll get used to it.
You're gonna have to.
Well, that's gonna have to get used to it. Yeah, he'll be right. Hair's done, you're right? Yeah. Okay, no, that's very cool. No, we're out here. We're not used to this, Steve. Mouse's gonna put a makeup on out in the bush. No? Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Let's drop a rock down, let's have a look. Oh, that has got some bloody Steve-O.
Here it is.
Takes a while though. It actually took a while. Maybe I can see down there, but that's just... Did you see some of Teresa's photos last week on Instagram?
Yeah.
Did you see that 10 photo one she's put? Have a look at that, and look at that shaft we found. So this has been some sort of little miner's cottage or something like that. It's got the cool old chimney. It's very cool. Look at these little sort of mines as well. Don't stand it up for you. A good photo. And is that, what's that there? Is someone, well, no one's been sort of sleeping. Made a little thing to sleep in.
Yeah, like a little bloody.
Holy fuck. Struck a rock. Not real deep, but deep. So the question being, did Steve-O refuse my drink because he doesn't want my gunners, or he's actually got a sore throat. Comment below. Thanks. Yeah, it's hot, eh?